Slade, Woods, go. Hey man, we got that boy Hurricane Chris though. I ain't gonna care. I ain't heard of bro since goddamn Halle Berry, yeah, Halle Berry. That's when they were young as hell, goddamn in the elementary school type shit. Now they grown as hell, you know what I'm saying? I seen bro interview on Black TV. I was watching, I was like, okay, bro, young as hell doing. I ain't know bro was 16. I thought bro was like an old ass nigga. Halle Berry, and baby, you know what I'm saying? But bro was 16, you know what I'm saying? So before we get in, make sure you subscribe right now, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna do too much talking, legit. Get into it. What the hell is you looking at, nigga? Mustache, nigga?
Dope, 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 whipping this. Dope, dope. Max Payne whipping this dope, clutching this fofo. First you gotta learn how to watch for the folks. Then put the pot on the stove. Jeff Gordon in the kitchen, I take off and go. Can't forget to lock my dope. Chemistry that I'm performing don't need to be shown. This ain't a movie, if I shoot a clip on the scene, it's cause I'm trying to make it back home. Trading my life physically and verbally. Rich in his pocket, I thought I was gone. Protecting myself was the problem with that. Talked to Jesus and he gave me the facts. He said I never put more on you than you can handle. So stand up and straighten your back. Hit me with a $500,000 bond. Tried to raise it higher, yeah, they really tripping. I talked to somebody who bonded on 2 murder cases and his shit was only 250. Guess that's what I get for this flex. Posting pictures of all of these Benzes and business. The man in my city, commanding your bitch to do silly shit. Like show me your titties, I'm finna go down by the lake. I got your DNA on my face. Been running around town with the fakes. Now you with the real and it's feeling great. Now you with a real nigga every day. Roll another wood, it's a whole eight. Never was nothing personal. To tell you the truth, she was driving and holding my weight. Gave her some deep different now and then.
I ain't okay. It's a cool that little song. It's alright. You know what I'm saying? It ain't ass. It ain't fire. It's alright. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. It's a cool that little vibe. I fuck with the Rolls Royce. You know what I'm saying? It look nice, very beautiful. Inshallah, I get me one. I know I'm gonna get me one. I'm gonna get me a Rolls Royce. Cullinan, whatever, Phantom, whatever ones that got the stars on the ceiling, I'm gonna get that one. Yeah, and the Bentley. But my first dream car is a McLaren though. I'm gonna get that motherfucker for shit show. Yeah. McLaren.
Guess that's how I showed her my appreciation. 200 bricks in a black Benz. I told her buy us in his location. Fuck on your hoe with the best friend. Guess what I got for my participation? Racks in the back of my britches, nigga. I got racks in the front of my pockets too. I can't stay in my lane on the interstate. She keep sucking me up in the Bentley coupe. You know whipping is dope, clutching is fofo. First you gotta learn how to watch for the people. Then put the pot on the stove. I can't go nowhere without it cause these niggas evil. Got my whole arm in the rim. Vince Carter with the rock whipping up a beamer. Now my phone ringing again. Say they looking for Christina, tell me have you seen her? Cold days, white snow, nobody else in the room. Me and John Cena, got him in love with my flow. Straight dope, no cut. I be spitting Ninas. I fell in love with my dope. Tell the truth, you can.
Like, bro, ain't go broke shit. Bro, still doing his thing, still rapping, still doing everything. Bro, still hard. You know what I'm saying? But I just ain't heard of bro in a long ass minute. Goddamn 10, 15 years. I ain't gonna care. Last time I heard of Hurricane Chris was when I was in elementary school. And I done graduated high school type shit. I'm older, like. But I fuck with it though. It's alright though. She hard. I fuck with it.
Leave, I don't really need you. Way too much drink in my cup. Hold me, baby, cause I'm lean. And she say, nigga, you a fiend. But pull this shit up. Put the pressure on the op. You ain't gotta tell nobody that you rolling them up. Me ain't never follow trends. We gon' get it in. You know all I got is my nuts. I might be in that foreign thing with the brains blow, getting followed by trucks. Kinda look like Alicia Keys when she on the beam, tryna swallow me up. Fly like a pilot while drifting a lot of design in the water. We gotta be up. Really need to be yourself. I hope you know what happened to niggas who try to be tough. I know you say you a stepper, no matter, you gotta be careful and watch where you step. You be screaming out gang, catch a charge, gotta buy a lawyer yourself. Too much of Vinci and pride and not stacking your dollars. The water you killing your wealth. Popping the.
Hey, bro, say you be screaming out gang, gotta get a lawyer yourself. Yeah, this real shit. I fuck with it, man. Yeah, this ain't no player that boy Hurricane Chris. Yeah, this motherfucker hard. I fuck with it.
Bottles with models standing on the table like you in the NFL. Yeah, we got bread, we got guap, we got big old bills. First you beat up the pot, then you beat up the block. After that you be making your meal.
Yeah, that motherfucker hard. Yeah, I fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? What the hell? It's a video right here. What happened to Hurricane Chris? That motherfucker 20 minutes. I watch that motherfucker later. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You big. Fuck is you looking at, nigga?